Welcome to my channel. In today's video I got a Buick Avenir and Vista that's going to be wrapped in a tech wrap Madeira red. The first car that I did this color on was the Dodge Challenger, and it looks amazing, so I'm sure this is going to look fire. There's some stuff to cover with this car right here. So how I'm going to wrap the front end, I'm going to obviously wrap this top part, and then I see that this part is separate, so I'm most likely going to wrap it. And then there's a piece on the bottom right here. I'm going to wrap that too. So total of like 3 pieces on the front. And then on the front driver's side, it does look like there's a little bit of a damage. I'm just going to wet sand this before hitting it with the wrap. It's also going to get a full emblem delete. That's including the front bumper emblem, the side front door, and then the passenger side door. If you guys are not subscribed, subscribe now. It is free if you guys want to see content like this. But nevertheless, let's get to it. And there you guys have it all complete. Buick wrapped in the gloss Madeira red by Tech Wrap. The sun is beaming off this hood, and take a look at it. It is really glossy. It's a polymeric film, and as far as installing it, I'm gonna touch base on that real quick. Since this is a second car that I installed the Madeira red by Tech Wrap on, I'm gonna tell you guys little install tips here. So one of them will be basically do not stretch this film too much, and also it's very prone to leave glue lines, so make sure you work with this film in a cool environment. And tip number 2, make sure you laminate it. And very important tip, before even installing this film, make sure you clean the car, and I mean like hand wash it really good, get on all the areas, dry it really well, and then work on the car, because that will just help the glue to stay longer and it's not going to peel on you. I've had this issue before and I've learned from my mistakes, so I'm just sharing this with you guys. But I'll take you guys real quick around the car. It's gonna get picked up today. As you guys can see, once I go on this side, it's like a dark black color. Once I go over here, it turns into like a purple and then a sunset right here. It's a very interesting film. I mean, honestly, goes well on this Buick. I also just had barely 6 feet, just perfect to finish this car completely. Like for the roof, perfect 6 feet. So I was just about to do this in gloss black if I didn't have enough, but everything worked out pretty well. Take you guys on this side, you can see some of that orange on the back trunk over there. And then if I take you guys to the other side right here, you can see it's like a purplish, then a black, then the orange. So it's a color shifting film. Very difficult to work on this particular car because there's just so many things that you got to consider. And I'll show you guys how I wrapped it. So I basically added a piece right here because it would just not fold. So when I finished wrapping this side, I just added a piece right here and just kind of like blended it in around these like edges right here. And as you guys can see, it looks very nice. So whenever I close the trunk, you don't see the base color, which was I believe silver on this car. And I also managed to put the emblems back on. I deleted the side little emblems, so just the main emblem, the Buick 3 colors. So yeah, there you go, it's all complete. And that will be it for this video. Like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.